Hey everybody. Oops. It's Gypsy Soul. I'm just going on a little walk around to the back of our property. And I was going to take you with me. Just want to check in and see how everybody was doing today. Isn't it pretty? It's like really turning in. This is just like a clump of weeds, but look at those pretty purple flowers. That's so pretty. And if you hear snorting, yep, that's CV Lou. But this weekend, me and my husband came out here and he mowed me a little strip so I could get back here, because as you can see, our grass has gotten high in our field. We had cows here and we moved them to my dad's land so our grass could grow a little bit, because it had stopped. And now our grass has come up really pretty. So anyway, but just wanted y'all to see how pretty and peaceful it is. I don't know if this is going to come out very good because of the light, but anyway, it's so pretty back here. That's why I like coming back here. We have like right at 6 acres, and this is probably some of my favorite area. See this little guy? This is Thomas. Somebody dumped Thomas off at our house probably about a week ago, so he has become a new member of our house. We live way out in the country, and so it becomes a common place for people to dump animals, which is not nice. But anyway, this is the back. It's our back post of our fence. And I just like coming back here. It's so quiet. It's so pretty. And that is back towards our house. Not that, that's our neighbor across the road, but my house is like behind those trees. And that is our barn. The grass kind of grown up around it. But anyway, this is my little trail that we come walking on. What you doing, Thomas? But I just wanted to show you on the back. It's so pretty back here. I love it. But just want to check in, tell everybody hi. And I hope you have a good Tuesday. Blessed be everybody.